I put sodium bicarbonate in my armpit and look what happened. You need to know this trick. I will show you everything that happens when you dare to put a spoonful of sodium bicarbonate in your armpit. Many do not know what this unusual trick is for, but I assure you that as soon as you know it, you will start doing it, and you will thank me forever. Before I tell you what it is for bicarbonate to the armpit, I will give you some other homemade tricks that you could do with bicarbonate, and I'll be able to help you. Number 1. Remove scab and lice from the hair. Bicarbonate is very effective in removing the scalp and hair strands. You only have to add half a tablespoon of sodium bicarbonate into the shampoo container and beat until well combined. Then wash your head as usual, and after a few days you will notice how they will go completely. Number 2. Toothbrush cleaning. With continuous use and being in the bathroom, the dental brush is filled with bacteria. To disinfect it, all you have to do is put a tablespoon of sodium bicarbonate in a glass of warm water and submerge the brush for 15 minutes. It will be completely clean. Number 3. Whitewash and restore the color of the clothes. If some of your garments have lost their color, do not worry, since bicarbonate is ideal for returning the color to the garments. It is also ideal for whitening white clothes and softening clothes that are already rough. Just add a tablespoon for every 5 tablespoons of detergent and your clothes will look like new. Number 4. Eliminate cockroaches. If you have cockroaches and other pests at home, baking soda can help. In a container, mix a tablespoon of baking soda with half of sugar. Then place it in the places of your house where you know that the cockroaches are lurking, and that's it. After a few days, they will disappear completely. Number 5. Remove the bad smell from your hands. If after chopping the vegetables, especially the garlic and the onion, you notice that your hands have a strong smell and you do not know how to remove it, the bicarbonate is used for this. Just moisten your hands and rub a spoonful in your hands for about 2 minutes, and you will notice how the smell will go away. Take advantage and let me know from which country you are watching me so I can greet you in a next video. Since you know various uses that you can give to sodium bicarbonate, it is time to tell you what it is for to place it in your armpit. Having a darkened armpit is something that happens to many people. This trick is used a lot by people who do not tolerate deodorants and creams. Just mix a tablespoon of sodium bicarbonate with a little water until a paste is formed and apply in the area for 30 seconds. Then remove with plenty of water, and after a few days you will notice how it will lighten little by little. This can also be used to unclog other parts of the body. Today's greeting is for Yolanda Martin from Spain and Alma Camano from Colombia. Thank you for faithfully watching our content. Help me take this video to someone who needs to know.